Hey guys, this is part 2 of packing cosmetic jewelry for Nambour. Scooby's trying to get it into some sort of way of doing stuff. There we go, I'm getting a beast into it, I tell you. This one just did. I could do a little bit more in there. These are only smaller jars, so I can't get the bangles in. So I'm going to do the bangles over here. Because they won't fit in. So we'll probably do them in something else. Yeah. What's that? Some little collector's pins. Yeah, somebody might want them. Watches. We're keeping... Oh, it's not a watch. We're keeping it separate. It's too big. It's nice. Might be silver. I said that. Scooby looks over at me. Look, there's a bit of tinsel. We don't want tinsel. Oh. So as you can tell, we're not really looking. They won't fit. So they're going to end the bangles. It's pretty. That's a bit of bone. This one's charms, basically. It's glass, heavy. It's just making things up.
Hope for the best.
Well, there's a die. Part 6. 1. Story of my life. Empty bag. So we've still got all that. Yeah. There's a lot. There's a lot, my friends. And that's too much. That's cool. It's like that, it's metal. Whatever, it's like, not magnets, I don't know what they call it. I won't throw that in because I haven't seen the other one. Oh. It's pretty, and it won't fit. There's a ball in there. That's nice, bit of shell. Bit of a hippie look. Really? Are we really looking? No, we're not. Oh. He's going to be stabbing himself.
No, it's been standing up.
Enjoy. That's cool, isn't it? It's like a heap of coins. Kind of like that. It seems that other white one. No, that's cute. And this stone. It's supposed to be on there? No. The bangles ain't fitting, so the bangles are going in another box. Sometimes you get gold bangles. We haven't had one. But I've heard stories. We went to Coles today, not Coles, but the shops, and we're looking at Proud's Jewelers and that. The prices and stuff. What's that? That's a piece of, I don't know what.
Yeah, it's pretty cheap for the jewelry.
Yeah, it wasn't.
No, they wouldn't have paid too much.
No, well, that's right. That's right. That's nice. Won't fit. That's nice, bit of shell. Right. Another one. Trouble is, I've done all the big jars, and I didn't think of the of the, you know, it fitting in the jar. So we got a lot of fucking bracelets. It won't fit in the jar. In the jar, boy. In the jar. That's pretty. What's in that? Nothing. You think we're nuts, don't you? Well, you know. As I said, my daughter's gone through this. My girlfriend's gone through this. You know. They're like, I don't want it. Go away. That's plastic. Oh, it's not. It's metal. That's pretty with little hearts on it. Bangle that fit? No. Bangles don't fit, Gab. Stop trying to put fucking bangles in. Scooby, bangles don't fit. We're getting some shirts made up for Nambour, hey? Well, we're hoping to. My friend's coming around today and she's got one of those printing thingies, so we bought a couple of shirts. We couldn't find any yellow shirts, could we? No sirree, Bob. So that's going to be here, and I'm coming over here now. Have you sorted all that?
Yeah.
Good job.
Just pick them up from the top and they'll be less That's
I'm going to have to start a new jar with that, because that's a big lot. This.
How much did the shirt cost?
Now, there's a reason why he's saying that. Is because they were $10 each, and we got to the counter, and one of them was $12.
Whose shirt was that?
That was my shirt. Are we asking why that was the case? I can't get this blue thing in the jar, Scoob. This is not working well. Let me give us a... Yeah, that one will go. Well, it looks like jade, that. It's not plastic. And that's nice too. There's a cameo. Somebody get this jar here. I hope they tell us, they go, come back and say, hey, dickhead. You just put in a jar of, I don't want to.
They all do come apart.
Yeah. Gee, that's heavy. That's cool.
Yeah. The more you shake them as you're pulling them apart, that didn't work.
You know a lot more about jewellery than I do. I'm not a connoisseur like you, fine sir.
They're probably all tangled together.
So, we're getting a few, aren't we? I'm going to have to get those other jars out too, I think, because this is the last one of the little ones. So...
It's all good. It comes apart.
But I don't think that piece is going to fit in the jar. So, that's too hard.
You put it back in there, I've still not saw that.
It's good, everything's fine. So remember, when you buy jewellery from the Picken family, you're buying a jar. A jar of joy. That's nice, there's little corally bits. It's like a surfy. Did you ever get... No, you're not old enough. Leif Garrett sort of look, you know, one with, you know, feathers in your ear, mate. Surfy beads on, you'd be wearing your roams. Look at that, that's freaky.
Yeah.
It says love. Oh, isn't that cute? That's nice too, stones and stuff. Some good stuff in me jars, mate. Don't bang on about the jars. All right, well, there's some more jars over here. Now these ones have gone, oh gee, I keep thinking that's a kid. All right, where are the other jars? Ah, shit. Oh, of course they are. Where are they? They're on the fucking ground. Oh, these are even thinner. Look, these are even thinner. You would think, well actually you wouldn't, most people would think that we're more organised. Oh, I was going to use the saw, but I found scissors. I was going to bring the saw over and do this.
Very organized.
What do you mean, your place?
No, there's someone talking in Nambour.
Do you know what's... Well, that's because you want to walk around and buy shit. All right? He'll be, like, Dan's going to be at the store with me. And Scooby like... oh, yeah, but Chili's bringing his missus. So he won't be able to hang with us. So it'll be entertaining his lovely wife, won't he? Which we haven't really met, have we? Have you met her? No. That's if he lets us meet her. He might go, you stay away from my wife. Nah.
I'll check my phone. Maybe it's a reply to my message.
The George of the Jungle, that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. He may have. It's nice, I like that. Trippy. I'll have to do these ones $5 because they're small. See? It doesn't fit. What the fuck? These are the lids I got with it. I'm not lying. I know what I'm doing. All right, shut up. I mean, it's got a taxi voice in it, this head. I won't show anybody's name, but we'll find out what somebody paid for them. Geez, $109 all up. And they give them the wrong fucking lids. You'd be spewing, wouldn't you? These aren't the right lids. There must be some more lids. There must be some more lids. That's coat hangers. That's another bag of another jars. Let's see if I can get them. Oh, here's another lot of jars, so maybe... Maybe they're exactly the same jars and they don't fit. But I mean, it just... Look, I don't know. I don't know, Scoob. You know, chances are I don't know what I'm doing. All right, that's way smaller. And these are too small, buddy. The lids are too small. Is that why we got them? Is that why they threw them away? They're like, we haven't got the right lids to the jars. None of these lids fit any of these jars.
Is that what job you got?
Yeah.
Legend has it. You need some new jars.
Well, what can we do? We could put something over and just tape over them, I guess. Yeah. Shit. What a nightmare my life it tends to be. Nothing's ever easy. I tell you, it's the McDermott curse. It's the McDermott curse, my friend. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Do we care? No. Will we power on into the rain? Which is going to fucking do it around more. Okay, that's a big ball. That's pretty. It's nice. See, the good thing is, right, I mean, You're selling these for $5 a jar. If there's one piece in there that you like, and let's face it, I mean, some of these pieces would have been bloody expensive. That's another piece I can't get. Hang on. Oh. I'm going to start off another jar. That can be another jar. I don't know what I'm doing. I didn't even look at that. I didn't even look at it. Scooby's ratting around there as he does. But if he didn't do this, nothing be going into a freaking jar because it's too big. And I'll just a whole bag full of. I won't put any earrings in. We'll wait to do the earrings at the end of it and see if there's any more earrings. That's done?
Yeah, it looks tiny.
It's good. Oh my God. What is this?
Yes, good.
I can't believe the lids to the fucking jar don't fit. That's kind of cool. If you're into that. Oh, what we got here? You going through this one?
No.
Oh, that'll let you then. That's cool. Look at that SHWO. Beautiful.
This thing's out.
He's trying to a bane of our existence. Oh, that's trippy. Mm.
Yeah.
You see that? That's pretty cool. There's a shoelace. Don't say you haven't got a shoelace. Because when you come jewelry shopping at the Pickin family, oh, that's like great. Oh, that's like the